In a country like India, where 24/7 power supply is still a distant dream, Best Power Equipments India Private Limited, commonly known as BPE, has been an active participant in fulfilling this dream for over a decade with the mission to provide cost-effective and reliable power solutions to its customers, because we at BPE believe that work should never stop. BPE, with its headquarters at Noida, on the outskirts of capital city of Delhi, carefully expanded itself step by step, year after year, by providing power solutions for IT, industrial and critical equipments, telecom, data centers, and electromedical gadgets. Safety and security has been the main mantra at BPE. Our commitment to provide our customers with energy-saving applications at very affordable costs speaks a lot about our innovation, R&D, and manufacturing capabilities. This, along with the support of our partners, makes our UPS the most sought after in India and ideal for Indian conditions. BPE manufactures its products from the best manufacturing units available in China, Taiwan, Italy, and Turkey. These are equipped with high-speed SMT production lines and the best available online automatic testing equipments, resulting in production of the most reliable products in sufficient volume to meet ever-growing demand of BPE products in Indian market. The reasons why BPE has managed to capture a large share of the market and capable to stand parallel to MNC products in India, because it is one of the largest suppliers of UPS to various OEM. The products have already been tested under Indian conditions. The products are widely distributed through various OEM, corporate partners, and system integrators. We have a very pleasant corporate acceptance and installation in all segments. We provide easy acceptability to personalized service, wide range of UPS availability, LI series to online 500 VA to 4800 kVA with all kind, example, tower with transformer, rack mounted, modular, transformer-less, including IGBT and adaptation of advanced DSP technology. All products have international certification, example, CE, UL, ISO 9001, etc. Our major clientele is spread over different types of businesses. Our retail partners nationally are Big Bazaar, McDonald's, Domino's. Our communication clients are Idea Cellular, Aircel, Akashvani. Our banking sector clients are IDBI, HDFC Bank, and Axis Bank. Our clients in the hospital industry are Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, Rajasthan Hospital, Kaleskar Hospital, Sterling Hospital, and Hinduja Hospital, Mumbai. We have offered our services during Commonwealth Games also by supplying UPS to major stadiums in various events. Our engineering infrastructure and oil exploration clients include Reliance Power, L&T, and ONGC. We have an unending list of education and manufacturing sectors, including various data centers. Giving utmost importance to after-sales service is the prime focus at BPE. Our service team, comprising of n number of engineers trained at various manufacturing facilities worldwide, and a number of technical assistants equipped with the most advanced tools, spares, and software, are spread in all state capitals and regional service centers throughout the country to provide round-the-clock support to customers. All service-related calls can be logged through 24/7 centralized toll-free helpline number 1-800-1031-247 or online at www.bpeservices.com. Hence, all the after-sales service worries are just a phone call or a mouse click away. BPE's prompt service ensures minimal risk of business interruptions, thereby improving overall system availability and optimized cost of ownership. We at BPE not just believe in making business friends, but in developing and nurturing strong relationships by ensuring friendly and return-oriented distributor programs. Various sales and promotional programs floated from time to time ensure quarterly promotion. BPE's strong policies like regular product training, assurance of no overpopulation of products at same region, no direct selling, price protection, volume discount, lead referrals, and facilitating stock rotation make our distributors our integral part, leading to mutual success and expansion. With continuous success in UPS segment and establishing itself as one of the leaders, BPE forays into the next segment, which is the need of the hour, solar power, and no doubt that BPE will soon make a dent in this segment also with its solar inverters and solar panels.